This is my mobility warm-up. I do mobility warm-up every single day. Why do I do this? Well, because it is different from doing static and dynamic stretching. Mobility allows you to push your joints out of its range of motion. It loosens your joints, like your hips, your knees, your shoulders, your elbows. It gets those internal and external rotations. Those are important when it comes to your body, when it comes to mobility. I don't think people like being in pain. I sure don't. So in order to improve this, you should be working on your mobility. Honestly, mobility has been a game changer in my everyday living. I have less pain. My joints don't hurt. I can do more and not have any pain. If you haven't started mobility, I think you should, because it really can improve your health and wellness. It can improve a lot of things in your body. It can improve your flexibility. It can improve your strength. It can improve your overall longevity. And that is the key in life, is your longevity, living longer and not ending up in a position where you don't want to be, where you can't get off the floor when you're older. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I don't want to be that way. When I am 70 or maybe 80, I want to be able to run around. I want to be able to pick myself up off the ground and move freely without any pain. And you can achieve this by just doing mobility every single day, making your joints feel better, making your muscles feel better, making your body and overall feeling better. Did you know in your body, your joints produce what is called synovial fluid? That synovial fluid actually helps lubricate and produce more fluid inside your body to help the joints move more freely. Google it. I guarantee you that's what it is. And when you're not moving, you're not producing that stuff. You're not. Because I was not producing enough. And that's what causes inflammation. That's what causes joint stiffness. When you don't move, when you don't exercise, when you don't move those joints correctly. Because your body will produce more of that synovial fluid. And that's the lubrication of your joints and your muscles. Mostly your joints, but I digress. Again, if you don't think I'm right, go Google it and try moving more.